Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a newer version of Su-Swagatam app by Government of India has been launched, and using this you can apply an e-visa to India. You can also submit an e-arrival and also FFRO request. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this app to apply for an e-arrival to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So guys, I downloaded and installed this app. This is for free in Apple Store and Google Play. Now the first screen itself comes like this, where you have to sign up if you don't have an account, of course. Okay, now you need to select your nationality. Okay, then passport number, date of birth, name, gender, email ID, phone number, password, and sign up. So what it does send an email to verify your email account and a link. You have to click on the link to activate your account. Then you're gonna come here and put your email ID and password that you registered with. So because I have done this process, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, so this is the home page. It looks like you can apply for a visa here, and you can apply for e-arrival card here. So this video is for e-arrival, so I'm gonna tap on e-arrival. Okay, it's pretty simple. So the first here is to retrieve. So if you have already filled up, you can retrieve if you want to make any change. But if you are for going there and you have not filled up, this is where you're gonna fill. So put your full name as in passport. So I just put some sample, but when you put any detail you enter, make sure you enter as per your passport and verify 2 times. Date of arrival, whenever you are going, you can do up to 3 days in advance. Let's say going on 24th. The country is within last 6 days. No. Address in India, wherever you are gonna stay. Phone number and of course I won't be submitting. State. Okay, district. I just put sample. Email ID, phone number. Now if you're traveling with more than one person, like a group or like a family, you can always click on add member and put their details. So in that case they just ask for the passport number and captcha. Having said that, some details an officer can ask you to update to, especially phone numbers. You are allowed to enter IST phone number, but they prefer if you have an Indian phone number. I have seen that before, so don't worry about it. That may happen or may not happen, and it's not going to have any impact. So once you submit, you're going to get an email with a QR code, and once you reach there, show it to them. That will make your journey smoother and faster. So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And yes, this is free. Okay.